First, log in your Facebook account. Click on this drop down arrow and select your group. Here select groups and open your group. Now click on members and find that member you want to invite. Now click on this icon. If you want to make that person as admin, click on make admin, and if you want to make that person moderator of your group, click on make moderator. Also, you can remove any person by clicking on remove from group. Now here I am going to click as moderator to make this person moderator. Click on send invite.